on, Kai. Trying to get Kai out from his nappy nap. Hey, baby. Ah, he's hiding. He's hiding from me. You want to come out? You want to come out? Time to come out? Yeah, let's go, buddy. Here we go. Ready? Oh, where you going? Oh! Oh! Come on. Come on. Come on. Wow. Boom. There he is. There he is. Let's go. Let's go. Let's see what he does first. Want some food? Come here. Have some croissant. What? Here's some croissant. What? Excuse me, sir. Kai. What you doing, buddy? Got a big old painting. Hey there. Oi. Excuse me.
Look, Kai. Look, color his gloves. Right here.
Kai's gonna be an artist. Right, baby? Uh-oh. He's like, get that camera away from me.
He's a diva artist. He's like, no pictures.
But you know what he does like? Check this out. Kai, look. Hey, that was fun. That was fun. You ready? We're going outside. You ready? Here we go. Come on. Come on, Kai. There you go. Jump. Woo! You made it. Woohoo! Come on. Come on. Let's see if you can do it. You want me to hold your apple? Let me hold your apple. Let's see if you can do it how we taught you. There you go. Watch the footwork. Come on, buddy. All right, holding on to the rail, one-hander. Okay. That's a little upgrade. There you go. Ready? It's funny. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna help you. You want me to hold your hand? Here you go. Whoa, hold my hand. That's right, good job. Hold on to the railing. Ooh, hold on to the railing. Hold on to the railing. Any kids watching this, make sure you do this with your parent. Like Kai is. With his guardian. Ready, Kai? Come on. Come on, Kai. Come on. Ooh, you want to walk? Let's walk. Let's go see the ducks or something. You're walking sideways? Ooh. Watch your footsteps. Watch your step. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. Come on, let's walk over here. We're gonna go to the pond. Okay. Come on, buddy. What's out here? Ooh, be careful. Uh-oh. Take your time, buddy. Take your time. Oh. Yeah. What's over here? Be careful. It's muddy over here. We got to the mud. What's over here? Water. Don't step in it. Oh, he'll just go in the water, huh? Let's not do that this time. Look at those ducks. We got ducks over here, Kai. What's that? Let me get on this side so you don't jump in the water. Go this way. Who's that? It's a duck. It's a duck. Go get it. Go get him. Go get the ducks, Kai. The ducks. Come this way. Hold my hand. We're gonna go see if we can see the ducks. Careful. Oh. Yeah, oh. Alrighty. What's that? A duck? A duck. Whoa, they're swimming away. Be careful, Kai. Be careful. We don't need you getting all dirty. Oh, more ducks. Let's go get those ducks over there. You see them? Come on, let's go get them. Come on. Let's go get the ducks. Ready, Kai? Here we go. Let's go see the ducks. I hope we don't fall. You ready? We're gonna go see the ducks. I'm gonna record you right here while you traverse this treacherous piece of land here. Whoa! You made it. Whoa! Kai, what's that? A duck. Go get the duck, Kai. What's that, Kai? A duck. What's that, a duck? Say hi, duck. These guys are big. Got them strong necks. Come on, Kai. Let's get him. Come on. Ooh, come on, Kai, this way. Come closer to me. Don't go that way. Getting a little too close to that edge there. Who's this? A duck? You see the ducks? Come here, Kai. Come here, this way, this way. You're gonna roll down the hill. This one looks like she's laying an egg. She's laying the egg. What's that, Kai? What's that? A duck. That's a duck. Good job. He's learning words now. Whoa. We're both about to fall down this hill. Wow. Whoa. You see the duck flying? You saw that? What was that? A duck. Can you say a duck? Come on, buddy. Look, a duck. What's that, Kai? What's that? Huh? Say hi, duckies. You're gonna touch it? Making the duckies a little nervous. That's fine. They'll be okay. Oh, he's running. He's running. Kai's running. He's running, he's running. Oh, let's see how he gets over the obstacle. Oh, one shot. All right, it's gonna get steep over here. I don't know if I should be letting you try this one. Oh, 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 he made it. One shot. No, 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 no. Come on, Kai. Let's see if you can get up here. We're on our way back now. Yay, one shot. Let's get it. Oh, what is that on the floor? There we go, buddy. We're on our way back. A duck. A duck. Go get the duck, Kai. Go get the duck. Go get it. Uh-oh, he's going down the hill. Careful going down the hill. Where's the duck? A duck. Go get it. Go get it. Say hello, duck. Careful with this little puddle right here. We're here at the rock. Let's try to climb the rock, buddy. Come on, hold my hand. We're going this way with it. You ready? We're gonna climb the rock. Get up there. Just like you do in the living room. Come on. There you go. You did it. Good job. It's baby Everest that you just climbed. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. Kai, say hi. Kai. Oh, he's about to slide. Oop. There you go. Where you going? Where you going? On my hand. Ooh. On my hand, buddy. Alrighty. You want to try the stairs? It's grunting. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Holding the hand. Yay, good job. Keep going, buddy. You got your exercise today, didn't you? Who's in there? Is it mommy? He ain't even trying to go inside. All right, look who's home from school. Delaney's home from school, and we're gonna see mommy and baby Kai.
Where baby Kai? You know he's at the hospital.
He's not at the hospital. He's home. You ready? Here we go. Delaney always gotta look over the balcony. Who's here?
May.
Yay!
Hi, my baby.
You're here. I'm here.
We're all here. Baby Kai is coming out the room. He's excited. He giving you an apple.
No thank you, baby Kai.
No, thank you. Give him a hug. He misses you.
I miss you, baby Kai.
Oh, that's so cute. Everybody's so cute in here all the time.
Funny about that, Mommy.
What's so funny about that? Bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.